When you start learning basics of mathematics, you always start with numbers, correct? Then what is the first thing that you're going to learn? Addition. Because addition plays the base for all mathematical calculations. Whether you want to go for subtraction is nothing but the reverse of addition. Multiplication is nothing but the repetition of addition. And the same thing when you go for squares, cubes, everything, it is nothing but the addition is the basic fact that is involved. And if you have seen some trial, what you have seen in the last week, all the points, whatever you learn, finally they are getting converted to simple addition or subtraction. So today you are going to learn the addition basics. How to become a super fast addition, how to learn the super fast addition techniques. Good morning. Welcome to Magical Math Mornings with Ram sir. Today, let's learn the basics of addition. I'm not going to teach how to count with the fingers and all. We believe that you all know those things. How to take that one from the methods what we use today, from doubling the speed of addition, or if you practice regularly, it can become 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, even 10 times also. Let me start with one simple Vedic mathematics sutra. This is very important concept. Like in Vedic mathematics, we get lot of sutras. That is made up of around 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. And one thing that says is about this circle. Everything in our world is a whole. This circle helps us to think everything in the form of a whole. And here the whole is represented by 10. That's why we call it as a 10-point circle. What is the speciality of this? The name suggests there are 10 points. Observe here, 10 is at the top, and then there are four numbers on the right side 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, 9 is the four numbers on the left side. And we have 5 at the bottom. What is the speciality of this? In this circle, when you move in the clockwise direction, you will get every number by adding 1 to the previous number. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, plus 1, 7, plus 1, 8, plus 1, 9, finally it will come to 10. And if you go in the anti-clockwise direction, you will get by the previous number by just removing 1, or this is also called as a counting backwards. 10 minus 1 9, minus 1 is 8, minus 1 is 7, minus 1 is 6, minus 1 is 5. Then what is its purpose in making our addition very fast? If you see the numbers, just if you draw a line, 9 and 1. What is 9 plus 1? 10. What is 8 plus 2? 10. What is 7 plus 3? 10. What is 6 plus 4? 10. These numbers, these are called as Aptamitra. That means the best friend. 9 and 1 are considered as the best friends. 9 plus 1 is 10, or 1 plus 9 is 10. Same way 8 and 2 are 10. 2 and 8 are 10. 7 and 3 are 10. So 3 plus 7 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. For 5, it is like some of your friends you would like to stay with yourself. 5 plus 5 is friend, 10. When you go to a function, there are many people gathered. Your eyes will graze in the surroundings. Who would you like to look into? Someone you acquaint with. But when you're already with your acquaintances, whom would you like to look for? Your best friend, correct? Same way, because we feel comfortable when we are there with our best friends. Same way, these numbers will make them complete to make a 10 when they are there with their best friends. That means when we add 8 plus 2, the moment you see 8 and 2, in your mind you should get 10. You're not supposed to count that 8 plus 2 is 10. The moment 8 and 2 are there, automatically you should write 10. Or 7 and 3, directly you should say 10. Same way, 6 and 4, you should say 10. 5 and 5, you should say 10. 1 and 9, without thinking that 1 plus 9, the moment you see these two, automatically 10 should come in your mind. This is what the practice that is required. And how do you use this? Suppose there are three numbers. We'll take 4 plus 6 plus 7. So what I'll do, in mind, I will not count 4 plus 6 because these are close friends. Directly, I will take 10 and 7 also in mind. Directly, I will write the answer as 17. What we do here, 4 plus 6 means directly I will take 10 and 7, 17. So in the initial practices, you can say 10, 17. In two steps, you can take. Gradually, by practicing, you will come to know how to write these numbers. Suppose you have four numbers: 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5. 10, correct? These two numbers, when you add, you will get 10, and then remaining things 4 and 5, you should become very clear with the basic addition facts. The moment 4 and 5 is there, 9. So directly we'll write 10, 9, 19. This is the methodology that we'll do. And normally, when we write any numbers, you should become very quick with the addition facts. Like if you say 2 plus 5, the moment we say, you should not say anything with your mouth. 2 plus 5, by observing and directly telling the answer is the one that you are going to practice. 2 plus 5 directly will say 7. 3 plus 6, we will not say 3 plus 6. The moment you see this, you will say 9. The moment you see this, you will write 6. The moment you will see this, you will write 9. This is what you have to practice. Addition, to make it quicker, should not use our mouth and tongue. We should just use our eyes and mind. Just by seeing this, we should be able to write the sum. Using this technique of the best friends, once again, I want to remind you, 9 and 1. These are called the best friends, and also these are called as the complementing each other. 9 is the complement of 1, and 1 is the complement of 9 to make a whole of 10. These are called as tens complements. That means tens complement of 1 is 9, tens complement of 8 is the opposite number 2. Same way, tens complement of 2 is 8, tens complement of 7 is 3, tens complement of 4 is 6. You remember 9 1, 8 2, 7 3, 6 4, or 4 6, 3 7, 2 8, 1 9. Using these complementary pairs, let's go now to practice some additions. Today we are going to practice a simple additions. Tomorrow we'll go with the advanced level of additions. What we do, the moment we see in my mind 10 will come, and 1 11, 10 12, 10 18. You're able to see how fast we are able to do. Correct? The same way, 10 13, 10 18. I am not adding in the order. 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 5 18. Like that, we are not adding. We are looking for our best friend. The moment 5 is there, is there any best friend? Yes, these two are best friends. So 10 will come into our mind, and 18. Here we'll see 10 14. Got it? That means when we say the numbers, we are looking for our best friends, may not be them in the particular order. We need not, in the first two cases, just for example, I had given these two things first when they're adding up to 10. Even if there are three numbers, four numbers, or five numbers, or six numbers, just we'll always look for our complementary pair. In this one, you see 10, 8, 18. You're able to club them. That means you are seeing the numbers which are very close to, which are the best friends, and remaining things also we are not going to do like 10, 15, 18. Try to club two numbers together and add them in mind and just write 18. Now let's quickly solve this. Okay, I will be doing along with you. We'll go for first these four things. Quickly solve and type the numbers. These two are pair of 10. Then remaining things should come. Any two numbers, we should know how to add them very quickly. Yes, quickly. Correct? Quickly. I will only find these two. The moment I get these two, just I'll add them up. Correct? Yes. Quickly do this one. 21, 19, 18, 24, 21, 19. Correct? You got the trick. Whatever is the order, I will always look for my pair of best friends. These are 10, and the remaining things I will take together again. 4 plus 6 is 10, 19, 21. I will not go like this. Okay, this is, no, no, there are four numbers, don't go ahead, because we have only, it's not just 5 plus 0 plus 5. We'll go for that one. You understood the trick. Just find this pair. Remaining 9 plus 5 also, I'm not going to add like 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 5, 24. We should not use our tongue and mouth. We should use only to tell the final answer. We should use our eyes observation. The moment is there, we should find the pair. Let's try these things quickly. You add all the four and then type the four answers. Let me see who will answer first. Add all the four and type the answers like this, not one by one. All the four and then type all the four answers one beside the other quickly. Don't make too much of a hurry that you will type it wrong. Do it fast. It's okay, because we are not in a competition with others. Yes, we got one person, Manjuna, answering all four. Very quick. Correct? Yes. 15. See what I do? 10, 15. 10, 20. 10, 23. See, I'm not telling 8 plus 5. 10, 13 will come in my mind directly. 10. Adding 10 to any number is very easy. Correct? Then what we say? 10, 19. This is how we are going to add this. Now let's take this one to the next level. What we should do? In the 10-point circle, when we say these are the ones which are adding 10, is it the only thing that we can add only up to 10? No, we can always go with the bigger numbers also. Let's take them. If we expand this circle, you what we say in Vedic maths, we'll say ekadikena purvena. That means one more than the one before. The next number is one more than the one. 3 is one more than the 2. 4 is one more than the 3. Like that, if you continue this circle, what we'll get here after 10, we are going to get 11. Here, what we get? 12. Here, 13. Here, 14. Here, 15. 16. 17. 18. Sorry. It is 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yes, this is called Ekadikena Purvena. Okay. And we are going to use that formula many times in the days to come so that you will remember that one. Now, what we do, you see the addition points. Whenever you want to add 19 plus 1, it is 20. 9 plus 11, it is 20. That means you can add any number to its complementary pair of the single number. That means we are looking for adding with the whole number. That means either it should get 10, 20. We'll go to the next numbers in the tomorrow's class. Now let's see. 18 plus 2, 20. Or 12 plus 8, 20. Same way, 17 plus 3, 20. 7 plus 13, 20. 6 plus 4, sorry, 6 plus 14, 20. And 16 plus 4 also 20. So whenever we are having the numbers, suppose we want to add like 29, sorry, 19 plus 3 plus 1. What we do? We'll make it 20 and 3, 23. This is the trick that we are going to use it. So what we learned? Yes, very good. Some of you have learned this trick in your Vedic maths. Using this expansion of the 10-point circle, in tomorrow's class, we are going to learn how to add big numbers. So what you are going to do today, you make some numbers like this, three numbers or four numbers, randomly write some 20 numbers, whatever comes in mind, all single numbers. Don't write the numbers to make them as pairs. Write whatever it comes to your mind in a page, and then sit with your buddy, both of you keep the time and do race with each other who will do fast. This is what you have to do now, because this concept is what you are going to use tomorrow when we are going to learn the advanced level of addition. Because this week is going to be making you very fast in addition. You should become too super quick in addition. The moment you see the numbers, especially when you go to a shop where the kirani stores or the provision stores person will be writing all the things and he will be pressing calculator. Before he presses any calculator, you should see say the answer, and this person should see you with surprise. Oh, we have got one more Shakuntala Devi or Srinivas Ramanujan in front of us. This is what is our aim. Okay, practice this. Tomorrow morning we learn with the next advanced level for how to make the addition faster. And till then, bye. Remember what we say. You are enjoying maths, correct? Maths में मजा है. See you tomorrow.